If you don't know how to use affirmations, but you see the videos of affirmations all over the place, I will link somewhere my favorite affirmation video, which is what I actually made. I made it for myself. It's perfected. It's got all the best affirmations. But for people who don't understand, like, it's a 2-hour affirmation video. You can't just sit there and listen to the whole thing, and you're not supposed to. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use affirmations in your life without it getting in the way. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Valentine. I talk about all things law of attraction, spirituality, self-help, and Joe Mama. Is anyone my age? Does anyone remember saying Joe Mama? Like, Joe Mama. Dude. Okay, anyway, affirmation videos they can be a little bit scary to people who are new to them. They don't understand. And I've even heard of people they're brand new to this, right? And they just sit down and they listen to 2-hour affirmation videos every single day. I mean, that's a waste of time. I hate to say it. Maybe it's not. Maybe if you have like really, really bad problems with like alcohol or drug abuse and you need to hear these affirmations for that amount of time, go for it. I completely understand that. But for someone who's trying to manifest a car or more abundance or the lottery, whatever it is that you want, you do not have to do 2 hours a day. But there's a reason why these videos are 2 hours a day, and that is because you can listen to it passively. There is science, well, not science. I'm a big language learner, and a lot of people have had amazing experiences with passive listening to their language. So as for me, Nihongo o benkyou shimasu. I study Japanese. What I do is I have it playing in the background. If I'm not actively listening, which means I'm concentrating on it, my brain is still hearing it, okay? That's very important. So if I were you, I would do 10 minutes twice a day or 20 minutes twice a day max, actively listening to the affirmations while also seeing yourself surrounded by whatever the affirmation is saying. The rest of the time is listen to it passively. You can have your earphones on while doing something else, checking emails. You can have it playing on Bluetooth speaker lightly. Some people even are able to go to sleep with it. And these affirmation videos are quiet enough that some people can do it. I personally can't do it. I don't see the benefit of it. I think sleep is way more important than affirmations. But that is exactly what I would do. This is a quicker video. I just wanted to clarify that affirmation videos are life-changing. They're so amazing. I've got some on my channel. Go check it out, but do not kill yourself over it. Do not overstress about these affirmation videos. Yes, you should actively listen to them. You should do 10 to 20 minutes twice a day of listening to these affirmations. As for my videos, in 10 to 20 minutes, within 10 minutes, you have already circulated through all the affirmations. Doing 20 minutes, amazing. If you feel it is impeding, I think that's the word, impeding on your life, then you're doing too much. Now, do not take this advice, but if you can listen to affirmations while driving and it kind of calms you down, do it. If it makes you sleepy, do not do it. I do not recommend affirmations while driving if it inhibits you driving. For me, I can listen to affirmations and drive. In fact, that calms me down and makes me more aware of my surroundings. So this is how you use affirmation videos. And if you want to be super sexy and just a model for AdamandEve.com, I do not know why I can't get AdamandEve.com out of my mind. I mean, there are so many gadgets. I didn't know pumps were used. Butts. Anyway. If you want to be the sexiest person alive and help so many people out there, please hit that like button and comment down below if this helped you or not. And what is your meditation schedule? What is your affirmation schedule? I really want to know. I'm open to learning new things. And if you disagree and you think listening to 2 hours of affirmations is worth it, please let me know. I'm always interested in hearing what other people are doing to manifest quicker, because I'm no master. I'll never be a master. I'm just a normal dude with beautiful hair and a Jesus-like mustache and beard who is trying to help those out there who just need reassurance every now and then. Guys, I love you so much. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Valentine family. We love each other. We kiss each other. And we never fight at Christmas or Thanksgiving. I know you know what I'm talking about. There's always like some kind of fight at Christmas or Thanksgiving. Or is that just me? Like, I don't fight, but Guys, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.
Trusting my heart like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Spending all night at the studio. Got me fucked up, you assume me slow. Killing the game cause he knew to go. I don't want nothing to do with you thinking this winning is all about who we know. You better than me, come and prove it though. When I hit a beat, I'ma lose it though. Young Yu-Gi-Oh! Trusting my heart like the heart of the card.